Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber or viewer, you are most welcome, and thank you for always stopping by. So guys, in this video we'll be learning how to make a baby frock dress. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to fold the two panels together, the right side facing the right side, and here with me we have the width of 25 inches while the length is 16.5 inches. So I'll just go ahead to fold it into 4 places before the next step. So the next step here is to mark out the armhole area. So here from the top, I'm going to go in by 4.5 and then I'll mark. Then from the side, I'm going to come in by 2.5 and then I'll mark also. And I will just curve it as you can see me doing so. That will be the armhole area. So after I'm done, I'm going to cut it off. After I was done cutting it off, the next thing I did was to proceed in cutting a stripe for the armhole. I'm going to cut out 4 stripes to use it and turn the armhole area. So guys, can you see that? So now we're about to cut the stripe of the armhole. Just watch carefully on what I'm about to do now. Here I will just cut out 2 stripes, then I will use one of it to cut the remaining 2. So can you see what I'm doing? I'm going to place the bodies of the armhole that way, and I'm going to cut following the curvy area of the armhole. Can you see that? So I'm just going to leave an inch of just 1 inch is okay. 1 inch is okay for the turning of the armhole. So 1 inch stripe, 1 inch stripe. So I'll use one of it to cut the remaining 2 that's left. So guys, can you see that? So the next thing is to just go over to my machine and then stitch it and turn it. So this will serve as a bias. That stripe will serve as a bias there. So guys, after I was done turning it, can you see the effect? So the next thing is to fold half an inch and also fold another half inch. I'll also repeat the same thing to the other panel. I'm going to fold half an inch and also fold another half inch. So yeah, that is where the stripe, the long stripe will be passing through, and it also serve as the sleeve also. So can you see it? I've gone ahead to cut the 2 stripes. I've gone ahead to cut them. So the length here is 38 inches. The length here I cut out is 38 inches, while the width is 1.5 inches. So for the stripe, I'm just going to stitch it. I'm going to stitch it at the wrong side, and after I'm done stitching, I'm going to turn it over to the right side. So yeah, here is it. I've gone ahead to fold it with half an inch. Also do the same thing to the second part. So here is our stripe. I've gone ahead to turn it to the right side. So the next thing here is to use my safety pin and then push it to pass through that opening. I'll also repeat the same thing to the other part of the dress. After I was done doing that, the next thing I did was to bring the 2 panels together and place it right side facing the right side. So I'll just go over to my machine and then close the 2 sides. I'll also go ahead to hem the down parts. And that is all for this tutorial guys. Can you see how our baby dress is looking? Mind you, this baby dress can be rocked with long pants, short pants, or even leggings. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial, guys. If you find this tutorial helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel.